How to attract any woman instantly. Important warning: the purpose of the information in this video is to help you attract the person you want to be with for the rest of your life. You are solely responsible for the actions you are going to take when you use such information, and you are also solely responsible for any consequences that might result from any misuse of the information provided. If you are a player, if you want to attract people to you just for fun, or if you want to attract many women to have a high self-esteem, then please don't watch this video. Why do I attract so many women? Since I was 21, I started to realize that so many women get attracted to me even though I wasn't trying to attract them. I realized that I would hardly join a certain class or get into a certain group without attracting a significant percentage of the women in that group. For years I tried to analyze why am I getting that high success rate even though I don't look like a celebrity or a rock star. As I learned more and more about psychology, I realized that I was doing intuitively many of the things that make women go crazy about men. In this video I will give you a summary of the most important tips that helped me attract a very large number of women without actually trying hard. 1. Be a superhuman. Women don't like the ordinary Joe. After all, who wants something that is very common? People buy iPhones and spend lots of money on them because they are rare. When you first meet the woman you like, act anything but human. You must seem larger than life, totally different from anybody they have met before, and you must make it clear that you are very special. 2. Be a good narcissist. Narcissism is a really bad triad, but it has so many good uses. Don't just be overly confident, but be cocky in a humorous way. Act like you are some kind of a king or a prince, but do it in a subtle way. Women die for overly confident and even arrogant men because they radiate confidence and seem so special. 3. Never get impressed. I have attracted some of the hottest women in town, and I have also messed things up with some other beatle women. What I noticed is that the more important the woman thinks she is, because she is very attractive for example, the more she loses interest in the man who gets impressed by her. Show the impressive woman that you are not by any means impressed, and she will starting wondering what's so special about you. 4. Be very mysterious. This point is an extension to the previous point. When you give someone missing information, they will keep thinking about the matter over and over. When you become mysterious, you will force women to think about you even more. This thinking will in turn program their minds to like you even more. 5. Always seem not that interested. Once a person believes that someone is very interested in them, they start to focus on their flaws and ask themselves whether they really want that person or not. On the other hand, when the person seems out of reach, they will seem 10 times more attractive. Don't ever push a woman to the phase of thinking that she managed to attract you to her, and instead keep her wondering until she gets very attached to you. 6. Disappear when they start getting interested. Once a woman starts liking you, it's time to disappear completely. The main concept here is not to disappear, but it's to give mixed signals. When you give mixed signals to people, they will keep thinking about you more and more. The more a person thinks about you, the more they will become attached to you. 7. Tell them that you plan to conquer the world. Women like ambitious men, and of course rich ones. Even if you are not rich, you can still make it up by displaying extreme ambition. Talk them about your future plans and make it seem like you are going to be the next Bill Gates. 8. Never be needy. Once you become needy or overly impressed by the woman, know that there is a 99% chance that you will lose her. Women hate needy men simply because they believe that they are not that important. Their logic makes a lot of sense. After all, if a man was demanded by many women, he would never act needy. 9. Learn to sell things. When you become good at sales, you will be able to make any product look great. This time the product is you. When you learn how to sell yourself, you will be able to show the woman the kind of value she will get when she gets you. Develop your persuasion skills and learn how to convince people to believe in you. 10. Dress like a royalty. Whether we like it or not, looks are very important, and the good news is that clothes are a part of looks. Don't just wear clothes that make you seem elegant, but wear clothes that make you seem strong, powerful, larger than life, and anything but an ordinary man.